how to buy Brawl Pass using Apple gift card. Now, first things first is you make sure that you already set it up your Apple Pay from your device. And that way, you should be able to see two options in which you can redeem a code to that specific gift card, or the other thing that you can do is just to redeem the gift card. It may be a fund that will be directly um, credit up to your Apple Pay's balance. So for you to be able to use it, you just have to access your game, which is going to be the Brawl Stars, and make sure that you're logged into your account, and then head directly to shop right here. So if you choose on Brawl Pass, you should be able to see two options, which is going to be the entry level or the general pass, and then the other one is the Brawl Pass Plus. So if you choose on either of these options right here, that payment method or the gift card that you can go will still be able to be usable. So say for example, we'll be using, well, we'll try to choose on the entry level. So if you tapped on the entry level, you should be able to see Apple Pay right here. So again, if you were to set it up your Apple Pay, you should be able to see Google redeem code. In that case, that is going to be the field in which you should input the numbers or the characters from your Apple gift card and take advantage with it. So once you have um, key in the gift card from your Apple, then all you have to do is just simply tap on buy if it's gonna be sufficient to accommodate the certain amount of the pass that you will get. So that's it. That's how you buy Brawl Pass using your Apple gift card.